Hello, today we will guide you through how to improve prompts in Claude AI. To get started, open Claude in your browser. Once you're on the Claude page, you'll be ready to begin writing your prompt. This is the starting point for improving the quality of the responses you get, because even a powerful AI tool performs best when your instructions are clear and direct. When you reach the chat screen, the next step is to type a specific and clear prompt, and then press enter. This part is simple, but it makes a big difference. The goal is to make your prompt easy to understand by focusing on what you really want. Instead of writing something broad, vague, or overly complicated, try to simplify your request so Claude can immediately understand the task. For example, if your prompt is too general, the response may also be general. But if your prompt clearly explains the outcome you want, the AI has a much better chance of giving you a useful answer the first time. Think of it like giving directions to a person. The clearer your instructions are, the easier it is for them to help you. As you type, pay attention to the wording. Use plain language and be direct. If your request includes too many unnecessary details, it can become harder for the AI to identify the main objective. At the same time, if the prompt is too short and unclear, the result may not match what you intended. A good prompt is usually both simple and specific. Another helpful tip is to focus on one main request at a time. This keeps your prompt organized and makes the response easier to follow. If needed, you can always send another message afterward to refine the answer or ask for more detail. The important part is to begin with a prompt that clearly states your real goal in a straightforward way. Once you've entered the prompt, Claude will generate a response based on what you asked. If the result isn't exactly what you wanted, that often means the prompt can be improved further by making it even clearer or more focused. Small changes in wording can often lead to much better results. That's all there is to it. Open Claude. Type a clear and specific prompt that reflects what you truly want. Keep it simple and send it. With just this small adjustment, you can significantly improve the quality of your interactions with Claude AI.